Hello everyone, I am Tejaswita and welcome to Pro Career Ignition. My question to all the employers, कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि you are struggling to find the right talent for the critical position और आपने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज ले लिए, नंबर ऑफ सीवीज आपने गो थ्रू कर लिए एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो यू डिडंट फाइंड द राइट टैलेंट. That same goes to the job seekers also. There is an ocean for the job opportunities. आपने job apply कर लिया, but you're not very sure like which job opportunity is right for you. If this is an issue for you, welcome to Pro Career Ignition once again, because we have expert recruiters who will help you to find the right talent who are currently looking opportunity in the market for your organization. So first important stage is like a sourcing candidates. But sourcing candidate करने से पहले we need to understand what client is expecting. Client is किस तरीके का job requirement है. So we ask client to prepare the job description that we call the JD. JD में जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन, जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होते हैं. सो वन रिक्रूटर गेट द क्लियर आइडिया किस तरीके का कैंडिडेट उनको ढूंढ के एम्प्लॉयर को देना है. After that, we started doing the sourcing. Now, for the sourcing के लिए there are various platforms are there, but we don't wait after creating a job in the various portal. We don't wait for the candidate to apply, because since we have a different types of pools, हम लोग market में जाके we know the expertise, we know the industry. उस तरीके से we start approaching candidate from the different platforms. So sourcing is one of the very crucial stage कोई भी रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए, जहाँ पे आपको बंदा और कैंडिडेट राइट प्लेटफॉर्म से ढूंढना बहुत जरूरी होता है. Now second thing, what we do, like we try to fit the candidate and the candidate requirement and the employer requirement, because many times ऐसे हो जाता है कि what they are looking, it is not matching. So if the requirement is matching from the candidate side और client जो expect कर रहा है, then only we proceed, we speak with the candidate. Now what recruiters are doing now, since as I mentioned in my previous video, our recruiters are having a expertise from the different industry and different countries as well to take care of. So as I just want to add it here, we not only take care of the domestic market, we take care of the international market as well. So come back to the recruiters side. So recruiters के पास एक speciality होती है, because they have been working for that particular industry for the longer period. For example, if I talk about like a banking industry, I have a recruiter who's been working for last 4 years. So that person is aware of what is happening into the industry. So accordingly, they keep the tab of the candidates and they source the candidate, जो sometimes employer नहीं कर पाते हैं. As I mentioned, like we have an industry expert. Industry experts की वजह से हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें clear होती है. And then we conduct the interviews. हम लोग ऐसे ही किसी को उठ के ऐसी CVs डाउनलोड करके we don't share the profiles with the client. We make sure like we conduct the right information from the candidate जो client को चाहिए. We screen the profiles. Now in the screening, we just don't ask the simple question. We try to understand that person will be fit for this my new client or my employer or not, because indirectly we are working as a HR partner. HR, we are representing that company in front of the candidates. तो हमें right information candidate को देनी है, right information client से लेनी है, जो हमें candidate को pass on करनी है. If everything is matching together, then only we personalize, do the job matching, and then we share that profile to client. When candidates are applying, we just don't pass on the resume. Okay, we make sure like we give a proper education, proper training to candidates also if they are lacking. So it is our responsibility when we are presenting any resume to any client, it should be presentable, and that candidate also at the time of interview he should be presentable. So it is a responsibility of the recruitment agency indirectly. Let's talk about what are the challenges employers are having. First is the time consuming. आपको नहीं लगता लाइक आपका टाइम बिजनेस पे ज़्यादा होना चाहिए? यू गो थ्रू लॉट ऑफ काउंटलेस रेज्यूमे और आपको एक अच्छा प्रोफाइल नहीं मिलता. In that scenario, okay, you are losing your time, you're losing your money. सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इट्स अ हाई टर्न ओवर रेट. हाई टर्न ओवर, मार्केट में बहुत सारे लोग अवेलेबल है, बट एक बार आपने किसी को हायर कर लिया, यू स्पेंड ह्यूज मनी ऑन द ट्रेनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड आफ्टर द प्रोबेशन और विद इन द प्रोबेशन टाइम पीरियड आपको पता चलता है वो बंदा सही नहीं है दैट पर्टिकुलर रोल के लिए. सो यू हैव जस्ट वेस्टेड योर मनी एंड द टाइम एज वेल. एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट इज अ लैक ऑफ इंडस्ट्री नॉलेज. मेनी टाइम इट हैपन्स बंदे के पास और कैंडिडेट के पास वो पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होती है, और इफ यू हैव अ HR पर्सन, दैट पर्सन इज ऑल्सो टेक टाइम, यू नो, ही टेक्स टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इंडस्ट्री कैसे काम करती है. सो ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ नॉलेज ऑल्सो इट्स अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम, मेजर पेन इशू टू फाइंडिंग द राइट टैलेंट. Now that same goes to the other side, job seekers. Job seekers को lot of ocean of the job opportunities, okay? बट उनको पता ही नहीं होता है कौन से पोर्टल से कहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है, किस तरीके से अप्लाई करना है, क्या क्लाइंट इज बेसिकली आस्किंग इन द रेज्यूमे. ऑलवेज कैंडिडेट्स आर कंफ्यूज कि मैं कितने जॉब अप्लाई करूँ भाई, मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है. सेकेंड थिंग, अनक्लियर जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कंपनी they just write 4-line JD and it is difficult to understand for the candidates कि ये मांग क्या रहे हैं, what type of job opportunity is there, because हर position के लिए in the market different names are there, okay, but काम तो एक ही तरीके से होता है, but every company gives a different type of job title. तो इन scenario में candidates get confused. And the lack of feedback, third important thing, most of the time it happens, लोगों को feedback मिलने को बहुत मुश्किल होती है candidates को. So due to that, candidates are not very sure. So these are the three major points for the employers and the candidates. Now let's talk about how Pro Career Ignition is going to help you. Since we are the intermediator, okay, we are working as a consultant, so many times we help not only employer but to employee also to take care of their salary negotiation, then documents submission and the reference check. So these all activities are taken by the PCI recruiter. PCI is a Pro Career Ignition. We take care of that. So जो काम में बहुत टाइम जाता है किसी भी employer का, we almost take care of those activity with us, because hiring the talent is not an easy job. So they can outsource, indirectly they're outsourcing, we are turning as a consultant for them. So we help them to find the right talent to employer and fetching the right talent from the market and talking to them. So guys, if you're tired to hire a people from directly from your organization and you're not finding the right talent, we are here. Pro Career Ignition will work as a recruitment partner. You can contact us at the HR@ProCareerIgnition, or you can contact us on the below number. Anytime we can set up the call and we can understand your requirement, where your business is stuck because of the right talent, and we can help you to place them. For the candidates, for the job seekers, if you're stuck to finding the right opportunity, so let us come into the help for you. We will tell you like which are the job portals, how to apply the job, what exactly you have to, all the interview tips and all. We will help you in that. Same number, same email ID, you can contact us. To become your job matchmaker, we can become your recruitment partner. If you are again stuck in the finding the right talent, or job seekers, you are finding the right opportunity is not available in the market, you can rely on us, because we believe on like today's talent is a tomorrow's success. So let's connect it if you're finding any challenges in finding a job or the finding the right talent. Thank you.